We're going to take a look at the ultra quiet air cooler. This is a fan. It's more of a tabletop model, and it stands roughly 10 inches tall, 2.5 inches wide, and about 6 inches across. You just lift the lid here and throw your water in there. And it's USB chargeable. There's your charge cord. Very simple operation. You have 3 fan settings. It's 1, 2, and 3. You do hear the hum of the fan, but it's not that loud. And you have your air mist settings here. You got 1, 2, and 3. And then you also have some light settings here. You can change the lighting. And you also have timer if you want to set a timer for 1, 2, or 3 hours. And that's basically the operation. It's a nice little fan. Very simple to operate, simple controls.